What's up, FNG Nation? Glad to see you back for your next lesson with the fancy new guy, Serio. Today's lesson is, what is a skill? Did you know the number one skill that's needed by the manufacturing industry is communication? And everyone puts it on their resume, but what does it really mean? So you're going to develop the skills you don't have, but it's proven that if you have communication skills, you're able to learn the skills you need to actually be successful with that career in manufacturing. A great example would be a machinist. They can set up a machine to the 4th decimal point. That's a skill that's learned over time. Now that's a marketable skill. So what I mean by a marketable skill, it's something that's in high demand. So if you think about marketing, it's telling you about that thing that you're trying to buy, right? All that is your resume. Your resume is your form of marketing. And that's how you market those very valuable skills. So think about the skills that you might need to succeed, like communication. And why do I keep communicating to you the importance of communication skills? Because it's going to help you learn every other skill you need to make those dollars per hour you're actually looking for. An example would be that machinist I keep talking about that makes, $20 to $30 to $40 an hour on times, depending on where you land. But those skills that those people have, you can't take them away, and they're able to feed their family for the rest of their lives. So my whole thing with what is a skill is the skill really needed is communication, so you can learn the skills that pays you. Because if you're hard to communicate to, then it's going to be really hard to teach you the rest of our lessons. So that being said, I'm going to keep communicating with my skills in our next lessons. I'm going to need you to pull out a piece of paper and a pen, or if you're really good at a keyboard, just tell us, but I need you to write those skills that you think you have down right now. If you think that you're a good communicator, what makes you a good communicator, and how can you market that on your resume? So I just need you to write down those skills and tell us what skills you have, because that's going to get us started on how we can help you grow the skills needed for you to get those dollars per hour you're looking for. So all that being said, you've just learned what a skill is, and maybe you have more skills than you thought. So your next step is to learn the value of those skills in our next lesson. Thank you, fancy new guys and gals of America. It's you who are making the difference in helping us change this industry for the better and help us add value to our beloved country and keep making those parts that we love to consume. For some more information on our next lessons, all you gotta do is just go to fancynewguy.com, where you can explore and see your fancy new guy, Serio, teach you some new things and perspectives that maybe you didn't think about. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fancy New Guy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fancy New Guy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fancy New Guy. What should you do right now? Go to fancynewguy.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fancy New Guy. Can't wait to see you there. Come join the FNG Nation. Come join the fancy new guys and gals of America. Come join the Fancy New Guys and Gals Club of America by subscribing on YouTube to Fancy New Guy. Just click that subscribe button when you finish watching this video. FancyNewGuy.com. I will see you there.